I'm going to talk about what information, what about what knowledge management and is and the tools used in knowledge management. First, I'm going to start with this quote. It said, "Knowledge is power." This is a quote that many people are familiar with in a business organization. It also talks about how knowledge is also a price asset that companies, like big companies and companies who are willing to grow, are trying to invest their time and money in to improve their efficiency, to make them work faster, smarter, and save them time because by time and money at the end of the day. So I'm gonna go to my presentation talking about introduction to knowledge management. Knowledge is one of the most important resources for any organization in this modern age. Companies, just like I said in my previous slide, I said companies invest so much time right now, so much time and money and resources to stay ahead of competition in order to be faster in their process, to achieve their goals, to to make their clients more happy through advanced knowledge management. Then we're going to talk about what is information. What so we're talking about knowledge management. Let's go. What is knowledge management? Knowledge management is the process or technique that firms use to obtain, share, and maintain information in an organization. It's like process, just like the image is like process, advice, improvement, but it has to deal with and also has to do with the people in the organization that works there. Then we move to the dimension of knowledge management. There are six various dimensions in knowledge management, which assist companies in creating values, which assist company in meeting their goals, which assist company in working faster, more efficient, and stay ahead of competitions to be more faster to know what is going on. In my next slide, I'm going to talk about um the six dimensions of knowledge management. So I'm gonna go with the first one is called strategy. Knowledge management strategy must be derived from corporate strategy. So the process of the main objective of knowledge management strategy is to share information among your colleagues, your people you work with, to manage it and create a relevant knowledge asset to help company meet their goals. The main key point here is what? To share information, to share knowledge, to manage knowledge, and create relevant knowledge asset to assist the company in their goals. Then we go to organizational culture. This is one of the most important aspects in knowledge management because it deals with how people interact within an organizational setup. Because so many people come from different background, different knowledge, different tools from where they're coming from. Some people are not used to some tools, but this talks about how people interact within the organizational setup to achieve one goal. Then we talk about the organizational process. This involves the use of individuals to do assigned tasks, just like we do in school. This is like you assign tasks to an individual to achieve its objective. This is also used like in the process of decision making. This is also called like decision making framework. This helps people to be the organization to assign tasks to individuals or a particular person in order to make the work more easier, faster, and to be more accountable for. And we go. Then the next one is management and leadership. This is very important also. To make you this is talking about how companies should have leaders, experienced leaders who have enough competency to manage the team. They are also responsible for choosing the knowledge management roles that are suitable for the companies. They are, they are um also the people who are also allowed to attach to assign tasks to individual in an organization. Then we move to technology. We move to technology. These are tools that are designed and implemented in the company. There are various tools company uses. We have different tools people use. We have Tableau, we have Power BI. These are various tools company use. These are various tools company are adopting right now. Excel is a tool too. Excel is a tool. There's different tools company use. So this is more like this is a tools that are designed and implemented appropriately to a company to a company to make use of every day. Then we talk about politics. Politics. This is also the implementation of tools. It's a costly venture, just like in the slide. Um, this is a paramount importance to organizational investors. They are also aware of the importance of investing in knowledge management. The whoever is investing should always be willing to offer the company to offer knowledge management, long-term financial support, because so the the company can always like achieve the goal and also reap profits to his investors. Then we talk about now we talk I'm talking about knowledge management tools now. Those are the six dimensions of knowledge management. So I'm talking about knowledge management tools because I said that in my previous slide also. Knowledge management tools, these are tools used by organization to store, retrieve data, information, content, locate resources related to knowledge and smoothing the flow of information and up and down the organizational structure. Just like I said, Power BI is a tool, Excel is a tool, um, SQL is a tool, Python is a tool. Our languages are tools companies use on daily basis to store their information, to retrieve the information, to combine data content, to locate resources, because there's thousands of resources. So we need tools to make this faster. We can to go through millions, thousands of resources of data every day. So this is also used to smoothen the flow of information. Then we have knowledge base. Knowledge base, this is respiratory that stores company data for either use of external or internal agent. This captures, manage, and organize important organizational data and information, which can be searched by anyone who have access to the repository. Then we talk about the KCS. This is known as Knowledge Center Service. This is also known as support. This tool is mainly used by customer care employees. This service provides knowledge on how customer care and service can improve the value of delivering to their customer, employees, shareholders. This pretty much works like a memory guideline, memory model for the employees. So in my conclusion, as an evidence in my slide, in my paper, I'm going to talk about knowledge management is a very, very important tool, a very important process in the improvement of business decision. It leads to not that it leads to achievement of set targets. It leads to faster process efficiency. It leads to more profit for the organization. It leads to accountability. It leads to so many various stuff. This knowledge management serves as the purpose of acquiring and using knowledge assets to improve business performance.